1 year of Linux Mint. Still worth it? A year ago, Linux Mint received its latest major update. It was praised for its user-friendly approach, stability, and refined desktop experience. But after a year, is it still the go-to Linux distribution for beginners and experienced users alike? Has it held up against the competition? Or has it started to show its age? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Linux Mint's performance, stability, new features, and software ecosystem to see if it remains a reliable choice in 2025. Let's get started. Performance and stability. The everyday experience. One of the biggest strengths of Linux Mint has always been its stability. Unlike rolling release distributions that receive constant updates, Mint focuses on a balanced approach, ensuring reliability while still keeping things modern. But how has this approach aged over the past year? Performance. Have there been any noticeable improvements in speed and efficiency? Does Linux Mint still run smoothly on both old and new hardware? Stability. How has the OS held up over the months? Have there been any major issues, bugs, or regressions? Comparison. How does Linux Mint stack up against other distros like Ubuntu, Manjaro, and Fedora when it comes to long-term performance and reliability? Overall, Linux Mint still delivers a polished experience with minimal disruptions, making it an excellent daily driver. But is it still the best choice? Let's dig deeper. New features: the good, the bad, and the ugly. Every new version of Linux Mint comes with refinements and improvements. But do these changes truly enhance the user experience? Desktop environment. Cinnamon, MATE, and XFCE are the three choices for Linux Mint users. Have there been significant updates to these environments? System updates. The inclusion of the latest Linux kernel and other system-wide optimizations. Have these made a real impact? Customization and user experience. Has Linux Mint improved its UI, settings, or workflow in any meaningful way? While Linux Mint continues to refine its formula, it doesn't always bring groundbreaking changes. But does that even matter? Let's move on to the software ecosystem. Software and app ecosystem. Has it evolved? One of the major deciding factors for any operating system is software availability and ease of use. Linux Mint, based on Ubuntu, has access to a vast library of applications.